I figured we'd go through a very common mistake people do on the Johnson Edwards lower units. They are a shift shaft that pushes and pulls. But what will happen is somebody will take the lower unit off and either put another one on that they find used, or they're just changing the water pump, and then they'll twist this shaft. Well, seems kind of like, well, that's no big deal. Why would that be a big deal? Well, the reason it's a big deal, that's part of your setting for this height. This height of this shift shaft is very critical. It's supposed to be in neutral, and we'll include the chart. In neutral, this has to be 21 and 15/16. We've already measured it. So you measure, I'll show you. In neutral, you measure from the housing itself down here, not this housing, and 21 and 15/16. So you measure that, you make sure that's right. If that's not correct, you might get no forward and neutral be in the wrong spot, and you'll have reverse, or vice versa, and you'll try to adjust your cable. In the worst case, you'll keep continuing to run it. As we talked about, the dogs will just bump over each other, and you'll actually ruin a good lower unit. So this height is very critical. And it's also good to know in case your motor, you just bought it and it's not shifting correctly, and it's like, well, I need a lower unit. You might just have to reset this height. So we'll include the graph on what to set it to. It's got some terminology you might not know, like looper and this and that. But it's information that's pretty easy to find. Shift shaft height, it's in all the manuals when you repair it. So it's always good to check. You have to have the lower unit off to change this height. So it's always good to do it before you put it on.